you could imagine not FedWire for all, but kind of like a Fed coin, where what the Fed would do is actually just issue these, Bitcoin-like objects, but and they would enforce a par exchange rate with the U.S. dollar that would eliminate the exchange rate volatility. But they could delegate the clearing of these payments to some third party, some sort of Ripple-like protocol, or delegate the responsibility of processing these electronic, Fedcoin payments to the miners.
Now, this is a short glimpse of the video I'm about to show you guys by a former executive of the U.S. Federal Reserve, saying that really the future for the Federal Reserve's payment services and settlement is going to be with Ripple, in which a partner will be formed that the Fed would delegate settlement to a third-party company like Ripple, and Ripple would use the RippleNet system, which uses XRP to facilitate the on-demand liquidity portion of the payment service. And it's not only the Federal Reserve that is looking at XRP for being one of the main key aspects of facilitating their payments. The BRICS are also doing the same thing, and in a recent paper that I've been able to unveil, I discovered something that is going to shock you, and that is BRICS has been looking at XRP and partnering with Ripple for a very long time, and they've also cited XRP as being the best digital asset for payments across borders. And here's the exact tweet, which I also screenshot the information and the sources that I get it from. Here is the BRICS website, and here is the source in the actual paragraph. And I'll also cite you guys here the article titled "On De-risking and De-dollarization Intra-BRICS Trade via Smart Contract." Now, all of this news actually led to a massive sudden price spike for the value of XRP over 8%, and this all happened within minutes. Now, a lot of people have stated that this is actually due to the occurrence of market manipulation, to which XRP was being manipulated to purposefully be of low value to give time for these financial institutions to switch to the RippleNet system. And some of these major institutions that are doing that are JP Morgan and BlackRock. And we're already beginning to see the implementation of XRP and the RippleNet system beginning within these institutions and these massive countries. And it also affirmed this claim, or this statement, once an official statement was revealed by the SEC, citing an ex-SEC official, John Reed Stark, confirming that crypto has been market manipulated by massive financial institutions and even by massive officials in multiple different countries. But if all of that is happening, what is the actual true value of XRP once it officially stops being market manipulated? Well, we're going to answer this for you exactly in this video. But before we do that, let's make sure you guys understand that I am hosting a free XRP giveaway. So if you're looking to get yourself some free XRP, we're going to be giving away to you guys. All you have to do to enter is simply tap the like button, subscribe with your post notifications on, and share this video to your friends and family. Once you've done that, we're going to hopefully hit 20,000 subscribers, and we're going to roll the giveaway then. So make sure you guys do those, and let's jump right into the video. $500 per XRP. And while originally this seemed extremely far-fetched, it doesn't feel so much anymore. But we'll get back to this article in a little bit, because this is important. It's a Wells Fargo analyst which predicted XRP's price will hit $100 to $500 in the next couple of months, and it's backed by some real juicy information and technical analysis. Now, additionally, I was tagged in a post by Sentiment, which actually highlights something that I think is crucial, and it actually talks about the XRP chain and highlights that the XRP network is starting to see some mild recovery signs, and just today, it's already up over 4% in terms of price rise, which appears to be supported some of the asset's largest whales. There are over 221 addresses holding between 10 million and 1 billion XRP. They now hold a combined 16.13 billion tokens with almost $8.71 billion. So you have some whales, and thus once again proving the fact that there is definitely market manipulation for XRP. Another very interesting thing is that I was able to uncover a tweet by David Joel Kaz Shorts, also known as Ripple's CTO, which highlighted that a high price for XRP is almost required and would definitely help Ripple in several ways. Once again, backing the claim of the Wells Fargo analyst citing $100 to $500. Now, here's the entire paragraph, or kind of like sentence structure page, full of words as to his response of what Ripple will benefit with a high price of XRP. But to give you guys the gist of it, basically it cites the fact that as you go ahead and have a higher price of XRP, Ripple can provide more incentives because Ripple's now XRP is valued a lot higher, incentivizing partners and adding liquidity to facilitate larger amounts of payments. It would also make the payment transaction fees significantly cheaper, as bigger payments would now require less fees because you'd need to transfer less XRP. So it makes perfect sense as to why a high value between $100 and $500 per XRP is likely to actually happen. And we talked about this in a previous video where really XRP on multiple occasions has been labeled as a stable coin. And for any coin to be stable, specifically XRP, you're going to require a high value to limit the volatility that actually happens. You can do that, or you can restrict the amount of supply, which is forcibly going to make the demand for the currency high enough to which the value is now forcefully going to rise. And I think Ripple is doing a bit of both. Institutions are buying into XRP to go ahead and try and get it so that they can use it for liquidity and payment transactions. But at the same time, Ripple has been caught actually buying back XRP, and that they have already bought over $8.4 billion worth of XRP since the start of the SEC Ripple lawsuit. Now, what is that doing? Well, it's very good to support the healthy markets, as Ripple has stated, but at the same time, it also limits the supply because now Ripple's holding it and Ripple's not going to sell, and makes the demand increase, forcefully causing the price of XRP to go up in value, which is a very smart move. But once again, the idea here is to assist in stabilizing the value of XRP so that it's not volatile, and so that more and more partners go ahead and are incentivized to use XRP for payment transactions. And we've seen this made clear by all of the partnerships that Ripple has been doing, including by these massive countries that are now building their central bank digital currencies on the XRP ledger. In fact, there has already been over 8 countries that Ripple has revealed that are all building their central bank digital currencies on the XRP ledger. Some of those include Russia, the Republic of Palau, Montenegro, Uruguay, Hong Kong, Japan, New Zealand, and the United Arab Emirates, also labeled UAE. So we're seeing this extremely massive growth of the XRP ledger and of the XRP crypto coin, but the value is still down. And again, this all references back to the circle that we are talking about, which is that the value of XRP is restricted due to market manipulation because these institutions don't want XRP to rise, so that they can build the Ripple nut system, implement it, make sure it works, talk to Ripple, maybe get XRP at a cheap rate, and that way they're in early while the value of XRP is still not high. Then once they're completely done, they will make the value of XRP skyrocket, causing people to buy in because they're going to see some green candles. And thus, these institutions always win. And it's been made clear on multiple occasions because it is extremely rare to see any financial institution or any country actually lose money on anything that they begin doing. And this is why JP Morgan has always been making money. BlackRock has been profiting millions and billions of dollars because they're able to play the market to which they never lose in any sort of way. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, but real quickly I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Rencom Network. The Rencom Network is a rentable asset company, which allows you to rent their assets with their native token RNT. And it is actually their only method of payment, meaning that their renters have to buy RNT every single month, adding liquidity to the liquidity pool, and thus growing the value of the coin. They're currently trademarked and registered in Canada, but plan on trademarking and registering in over 130 countries as they're pending the application, and they're listed on multiple exchanges. And to top it all off, as an incentive to their holders, they're giving 10% back, so from free 10% RNT to every single person that actually holds the coin. So you can get their coin as they're currently listed on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. Check them out. The link for rencomnetwork.com will be in the description, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.